Citrus's entrance. Premium room. That is the washroom. I don't see a safe game zone here. This place looks So guys, this is the bed, the sofa, this is the premium room, and you can see the ceiling, split AC, 2 chairs, a little table. You have a mini fridge, some tea, and that's the back view of the Hotel Citrus Room 23. That's a small little TV. So the bed is sufficient for 2 definitely. Maybe a small kid, but there is a sofa. I'm not sure if that is a sofa cum bed. I'm not sure about that. Let's check the bathroom. So that is the washroom of Citrus. One little glass. Here you get whatever you require. It's pretty clean. Shower, and here you get this. A huge glass, pretty huge. Again, you get this here, a hair dryer there. And we have a small closet here. It's not so big, but it's not bad for a couple of days. One thing I am not seeing at the moment is a safe. I don't see a safe in this room right now. So this is, I think, a next door there for the next room probably. So this is how it looks. It's not so big, not so small. It's pretty a medium-sized room. It looks pretty decent. Right. So guys, this is the full list. So guys, this is the game zone here. You got carom, chess, and table tennis. And we got billiards over here. Beautiful seating area. This place looks phenomenal. Very airy, very vibrant in colors. So guys, this is Citrus's entrance To the left, that's the parking. A little small place to chill. And as I said, the vibrant colors are brilliant. This is the place, how it looks from outside. Milk oats, steamed corn. There we go. It looks delicious. Masala Maggi, masala vada.
So what is it?
It's Maggi and vada.
And what do you want?